Was the Old Testament covenant replaced by the New Testament covenant? Or do both still apply today? Many people wonder, does the Old Covenant still matter, or did Jesus establish something entirely new? The Bible teaches that the Old Covenant, given through Moses, was a temporary agreement between God and Israel. It was based on the law, obedience to commandments, sacrifices, and rituals to maintain a relationship with God. Hebrews 8 verse 6. But in fact, the ministry Jesus has received is as superior to theirs as the covenant of which he is mediator is superior to the old one, since the new covenant is established on better promises. The old covenant required continual sacrifices for sin. But Jesus, through his death, established a new covenant, one based not on the law, but on grace. Hebrews 10 verses 9 to 10. He sets aside the first to establish the second. We have been made holy through the sacrifice of the body of Jesus Christ once for all. This doesn't mean the Old Testament is irrelevant. Jesus didn't abolish the law, he fulfilled it. The moral principles still guide us, but we no longer rely on sacrifices or rituals to be right with God. Think of it this way, the Old Covenant was a shadow, pointing to something greater. The New Covenant is the fulfillment, salvation through faith in Christ. So, was the Old Covenant replaced? Yes, but not erased. It found its completion in Jesus. Now, we live under the New Covenant, where righteousness comes through faith, not works. Ephesians 2 verses 8 to 9. For it is by grace you have been saved, through faith, and this is not from yourselves, it is the gift of God, not by works, so that no one can boast. Through Jesus, we are no longer bound by the Old Covenant, we are free in the New Covenant of grace. Are you living in the freedom Christ has given you? Share your thoughts in the comments.